Good day everyone, my name is Anthony Luna and today I would like to tell you little about myself. One of my favorite hobbies is playing basketball. Enjoy playing basketball during my free time because it's helped me to stay healthy and active. It's also a fun way to spend time with my friends. Through basketball, I learned the importance of teamwork, discipline, patience, and determination. Even when at the game is a difficult, always try my best and never give up. Aside from my basketball, also enjoy learning new things and improve myself. Every day I believe that every experience teaching us valuable lesson that can help us become better people. As a student, my biggest goal is to finish my studies and graduate. I know that education is very important because it can open many opportunities in life. There are many big challenges and difficulties along the way, but I am willing to work hard and stay focused on my goals. One of the main reasons why I want to finish my education is to help my family in the future. I want to repay the sacrifice, love, and support that my parents have given me. They work hard every day to provide for our need, and I want to make them proud by achieving my dreams. I believe that with faith, hard determination, and perseverance, nothing is possible. No matter how difficult life becomes, I will continue to pursue my goals and strive for a better future. This is a little about myself. Thank you for listening and wonderful day everyone.